Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up to cloud using pCloud Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your files to the cloud using pCloud Drive, start by downloading the pCloud Drive application from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen prompts that appear during the setup process. Once installed, open the pCloud Drive application on your device. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login details and click the Sign In button. If you're new to pCloud, click on the option to create a new account. Fill in the necessary information to set up your new account. After signing in, you will see a virtual drive that appears as a folder on your computer. To start backing up files, open the folder that contains the documents or images you wish to store in the cloud. Select the files or folders you want to back up. Right-click on the selected files or folders. From the context menu, choose the option to copy or cut. Navigate to the pCloud Drive folder that is typically located in your File Explorer. Right-click inside the pCloud Drive folder and select Paste. Your selected files will begin uploading to the cloud. You can monitor the upload progress through the pCloud application interface. Once the upload is complete, your files are securely backed up to pCloud Drive. For added convenience, consider setting up automatic backups by exploring the settings within the application. You can also organize your files within pCloud Drive using folders for easier access in the future. Remember to periodically check your backup files to ensure everything is up to date. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your files to the cloud using pCloud Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.